A very beautiful and charming welcome to you. In this video we are going to get the idea of discovery of Euler's constant T. So let's get started with it. This constant is also known as Napier's constant. There is a man who named is Ram. This is a story dealing with Napier's constant. Starting of each year, Ram deposits 1 rupees in a bank for a year at a compound interest. He collects a total sum at the end of year which is equal to 1 plus r raised to the power t. R is rate here and t is equal to time, which can be easily calculated using compound interest. In year 2015, Ram deposited an amount of 1 rupees for a time of 1 year at rate of 100% per annum. After 1 year, he collects 2 rupees from the bank, which includes his compound interest too. Using the formula, you can calculate it easily. Suppose Ram wants more interest on his money. What can he do? There is a way. After getting an idea, next year he did the following. Year 2016, Ram deposited an amount of 1 rupee for 1 year at rate of 50% per 6 months. There are 2 tenures of 6 months in 1 year, so amount he collected from the bank is 1 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 2, which is 3 by 2 raised to the power 2, which is 2.25. He is happy. He liked the idea and he reduced the rate and rate span both by the same factor n again and again. So in year 2017, Ram deposited an amount of 1 rupee for a tenure of 1 year at rate of 100 by 3% for 4 months, which is 1 by 3 year. Amount he collected after 1 year is 1 plus 1 over 3 raised to the power 3, which is 2.370, which is an irrational number actually. What do you think of this idea? Will it ultimately lead to you an infinite amount of money? Your answer must be yes. But in fact, that's not true. Even it can't cross 3 rupees by depositing 1 rupee in a bank. Let's get an idea by fetching some data. We already discussed the 1 year and 6 month idea and the 4 month too. And these are the values as n gets larger and larger. The value 1 plus 1 over n raised to the power n corresponds to 2.71. Let's generalize our idea. Ram deposited money 1 rupee for a time of 1 year at rate of 100 by n% for 1 by n year. Amount received after 1 year is equal to 1 plus 1 over n raised to the power n, where n approaches infinity. Actually, this 1 plus 1 over n raised to the power n, where n approaches infinity, is equal to e, which is nearly 2.718. This is actually the Napier's constant. When n gets very larger and our sum of money gets to close to 2.71. This is how E first was generalized by Jacob Bernoulli in 16th century. To calculate its value, to prove its convergence existence, to prove its irrationality, I have already made 3 videos on Euler-Mascheroni constant. Actually, this is a different constant. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Ask your doubts in the comment section. And let's wait for 15 likes this time. Goodbye.